Mr. Ian Rojas.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for experiencing the live show. So we will have another one later on. So Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's mission to world's transition to sustainable energy. So how we do that is we make the world's most reliable and robust charging network. We have the most, with 7,000 supercharging stations and over 65,000 superchargers, and 10,000 superchargers added just last year. We're adding more, especially here for the Philippines. Okay, so Tesla over the years, we started 2008 with the Roadster and the Model S, and now we have Cybercab, Robovan, and Optimus. This means we're not just making vehicles for passengers, but also for commercial. So Tesla is not just a car company, it's also a tech company, an energy company. So all the products we build, from AI, charging, full self-driving, to ride-hail, to vehicles, to solar and energy storage, all of these are interconnected and work seamlessly. The future we want